Hello everyone, I am Vinayak from first year Information Science and Engineering. My topic is Advanced Recycling Technology. Futures: Multi-material handling. Create a modular system capable of handling diverse materials from plastic and glass to electronics and textiles. Waste to energy conversion. Integrate advanced waste to energy technologies to convert non-recyclable waste into clean energy. Self-cleaning filters. Design self-cleaning filters for recycling machines to reduce the downtime and improve the efficiency. Solar power recycling stations. Recycling stations with solar panels to power their operations, reducing the reliance to external energy sources. 3D printing from recycled materials. Develop 3D printing techniques that utilize recyclable materials, reducing the demand for new resource. Self-sorting bins. Design bins contains internal mechanisms for automatic sorting of the recyclable upon disposal. Municipal waste sensors implements sensors in waste bins to collect data on disposal patterns, added in waste management strategies. This, as you can see, this is the internal prototype, and this is external prototype. Thank you.